Why are the clouds following the stars? Wondered little Amara as she sat on her bed, watching them drift across the night like they were chasing something. The stars twinkled hurriedly, darting from one corner of the sky to another, while the clouds floated right behind them like fluffy shadows. "Stars, why are you running?" Amara called through her open window. A small star zipped close, blinking fast. "We're looking for something we lost." Amara tilted her head. "What did you lose?" The star whispered, "The key to the sky's dream door." Amara's curiosity fizzed like soda. "Dream door? What's that?" Before the star could answer, the wind swirled into her room and spoke in a secret tone. "It's the door that lets the night slip into dreams. Without it, no one can rest, not the stars, not the moon, not even the dragon at the horizon." Amara leapt from her bed, wrapping herself in her softest blanket. "Then we have to find it." The wind lifted her gently into the sky, and they followed the trail of racing stars and determined clouds. First, they visited the moon, who leaned on a crescent-shaped railing. "Moon!" Amara called. "Have you seen the dream door key?" The moon shook its head sadly. "I was too busy counting craters and might have blinked at the wrong time." Amara smiled. "Then help us look. Your glow will light the way." The moon brightened and joined them. Next, they passed a patch of clouds puffing into different shapes. "Why are you making animal shapes?" Amara asked. A cloud replied, "We thought the key might be hiding in one of these forms: lion, rabbit, elephant." Amara laughed. "Try sleepy shapes instead. Pillows, blankets, cocoa mugs. The key might want to hide somewhere cozy." The clouds rearranged themselves, and suddenly, from the curve of a pillow cloud, something golden glinted. It was the key, but before Amara could reach it, a playful gust of wind whisked it away. "Catch me if you can," the wind teased. They all chased after it, through starry tunnels and between silver beams of light, until they reached the edge of the horizon, where the night dragon was curled. The dragon lifted its head. "Looking for this?" It opened its claw to reveal the key. "I caught it before it could fall into the day." Amara took the key carefully. "Time to open the dream door," she said. The stars formed a gentle arch. The moon's glow poured over it, and the key turned with a soft click. A wave of warmth and quiet rolled across the sky. Clouds drifted slower, stars blinked softer, the moon sighed, and even the dragon's tail curled into rest. The wind carried Amara back to her room. She peeked outside. The whole sky looked tucked in. "Good night, dream door," she whispered, curling under her blanket. Somewhere above, the stars whispered back, "Thank you." Morale: helping others find what they've lost can open the door to peace for everyone.